Thanks to the sponsorship of Fundación Bancaria BBK, the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao is opening a new presentation from its collection. The main goal of this exhibition is share for the first time with our public a broad selection of the pieces that have been recently incorporated in our holdings. And amongst them, we have to highlight the gifts from the Al Health Foundation and the Dimitris Daskalopoulos collection, alongside the long-term loan from the German collector Inge Rodenstock. Besides the presentation of a huge portion of these new incorporations, this presentation or this exhibition also seeks to enhance the diversity and the richness of our collection. In order to do that, we have organized in almost all the galleries small and independent group exhibitions which are centered in one single topic. And through this single topic, we are able to create multiple readings and unprecedented interpretations among the artists and the artworks from the collection. Some of these topics are how language has been used in contemporary art as a tool to defy and reflect on reality, pop art and its legacy, the experience of violence and its traces, and some other topics will show us how abstract art is very important in our holdings. In short, this presentation invites us to rediscover our collection, living collection in constant transformation, which aspires to contribute to the dissemination of contemporary art.